Hey guys, it's TheofficialEphraim, and I know this is a little bit of a different setting, but this is a special edition because I am trying out the new Rode VIEOMIC Pro that I got that came in the mail today, so you can see if it's better or worse. Right now I have in this room, the air conditioning is running, I have my Mac computer turned on, the PlayStation is turned on, and there's a TV behind this camera that is running. All I'm saying is that all of this is running, and the difference in the sound quality hopefully will be noticeable, and we're going to try out every different setting as quick as possible. So here it goes. Hello? Hey. Yeah. Yes, I'm just seeing if you were going to go to that thing that is on that day, that is at that time. I was just going to see if you were going to that. Oh yeah, definitely. Yeah, call me back whenever. Alright, see you. Hello? Hey. Yeah, man. I kind of forgot about that. Were you gonna go to that thing on that day? In that year? At that time? Okay. Yeah, man, go ahead and call me back. Yeah, that's fine. See ya. Shh. Hello? Hey. Yeah? Oh, are you gonna go to that thing at that time? On that one day? When is that? Are you going to that thing? What do you mean? Okay. Yeah, you can call me back. Go ahead. Alright, see you, man. Hello? Hey. What? No. You went to that thing on that day? At that time? In that month? What year was that, man? Oh. Yesterday? Alright, yeah. You need to call me back. You don't? Okay, bye. Hello? Hey. Yeah? Yes? No? Yes? Maybe? That time, at that day, at that place, on that year, in that moment? Yeah, dude. Yes. Definitely. I can't be there. I'm sorry. Goodbye. Just as a little added bonus, I wanted to do one where I'm about 1 foot away from the actual camera, because sometimes that is what you will be filming with your Rode VIEOMIC Pro when you hopefully purchase this. And this, the quality of the sound when we're this close using the Rode VIEOMIC Pro plus 20 dB. The camera is set 4 notches from the bottom, the high pass filter is turned on, and this is straight up Rode VIEOMIC. So hopefully it sounds awesome. Thank you for watching, and as always, have a great day. That's not always, I don't always say that, but I felt like saying it this time, so see ya.